Hey, this is Alexis with Calibre Home Inspections, where we believe in inspecting homes and protecting dreams. Let's go over the report once you receive a link in your inbox that it's been uploaded. So first you scroll down, you'll see the overview. It's the overall visual representation of the property. Here you'll see the executive summary. Now this is the top couple things that the inspector would get taken care of first if he were the one buying the property. So it's basically a 30,000 foot view from the summary. Also here it will tell you your job as a homeowner, some things that need to get taken care of from the inspector's point of view. Now you can go over here to the left side and see the table of contents. You can click on one and just jump right down to it. Here's some information. If you want to read the small print, you can click on limitations. That's where all the small print is. Now here is where the inspector would upload any videos or pictures that he wants you and your client to see, along with some arrows and annotations that are on the pictures. Here's where you find comments, and here is where he would put down who the qualified professional would be. If you're looking for somebody, you can go to www.calibrehomeinspections.com/resources. We have over 40 contractors listed there that we have worked with or who have been recommended to us. Here you can click summary. These are just bullets, bullet points. Once you download the summary here, you'll be able to see that these come in a very, very quick bullet points. We like bullets, so Calibre Home Inspections. They are 1 page, not even really 2 pages summary. So let's jump back over here and you can see the immediate concerns. It's basically the same thing that's on the summary. It's the things that need to be addressed immediately. So let's go up here to report tools. This is where you're going to find the addendum to address concerns. This is what it's going to help you with. So go to report tools, go to repair request builder. Again, this is going to help you with your addendum to address concerns. Now you can see I was working in here earlier, but what it's going to do is it gives you the option to go through and click on all of these things that you want taken care of. You can change the amount. You can put an amount in here. And let's say, check out Calibre Home Inspections. So you see up here that it says total credit requested. Now this can change. I don't know what any of these cost, but we're just putting some numbers in here for fun. And you can come up here and click create. And you can either email this, text this, or you can view it here. We're going to view it and kind of go over what this looks like. And you can see the amount requested and the comments that are in there. So if you want to go a little bit more in depth, you and I can jump on a Zoom one-on-one for about 5 minutes or so, and we can go over this more in depth. So give us a call, 770-932-0932. Have a great day.